Well, that must be the governor of Maastricht. You bring him from London until here in the city.
Yes, well, for us it was a very exciting discovery to find this portrait of this very handsome young man who was a very successful military commander, French-born, but he fought for the Spanish Netherlands. And he was appointed governor of Maastricht in 1632.
And what was his name?
He's the Duc de Bouillon.
Okay.
And apart from that, the other great significance of the portraits, which is by one of the very best of Dutch 17th century portrait painters, Michael van Mierevelt, is the provenance. Yeah. The pictures descended from the collection of the Winter Queen, Elizabeth the Bohemia, who spent many years in The Hague, and she patronized Mierevelt, and she built up a very large collection of portraits, which descended with her best friend, the Earl of Craven, in an English collection until the 20th century. So the picture has virtually an unbroken provenance since the day it was painted.
Is it one of your masterpieces? Well, of course, we only have masterpieces.
Well, it's very kind of you to say that. No, it's a picture I'm very, very proud of. It's in beautiful state of preservation. It's signed and dated. But for us, obviously, I think the most exciting thing is that TEFAF and the city of Maastricht have used this very beautiful portrait as an image to promote the fair and the city. So indeed you see his face now all round Maastricht. It's on the front cover of the fair catalogue. So for us it's something to be quite proud about.
And if, for example, the mayor of Maastricht would have some budget,
well, we'd be very proud for the picture to find a home back in Maastricht or with the province of Limburg, and it would be a very appropriate thing. So we're here to help if they do end up being interested.
But in what range, I have to think?
The asking price is €150,000, so it's not that expensive in the great scheme of things.